Hello and welcome back to another video from the Profit Takers podcast. Guys, looking forward to this new week. I'm so excited that we're going to be releasing the Profit Takers alert dashboard for you all. We want to make sure that you are in the locals group so that you guys can take advantage of it. Okay? Just that simple. All right, so let's get to the charts. There we go. So we are looking at GCAD. All right, so GCAD is technically a trade that I had taken this trade on Friday because it was a parabolic trade setup, and this was day two after it was day two of the 3-day cycle, but it was technically 1 day from the peak low of the week. So Monday is technically the 3rd day of the 3-day cycle for this particular pair. So I'm expecting this thing to give us a stop hunt high and a drop, and I'm going to wait and see what the sessions do so that we can be using those areas for our take profit areas. And that's it. We're going to mark our highs and lows, and then we're going to wait. So markets do one of three things. They're going to break out, trend, break out, fail, break out, and do nothing. Okay. It can also just go flat and do absolutely nothing. So that means if this day 3 doesn't work out, Tuesday is going to be the day 3 all over again. And that's the end of that story. Right? We're going to look for the same thing. Okay. We're going to redraw the levels, and we're going to relook for this market to reverse. And then we're going to take our profits. Okay. That's simple. We're not going to make this thing hard. All right. So the other one I'm going to look at is the dollar CAD. This one turned out to be a first green day on Friday, which is also D0, but it also technically is day 1 of the new peak low of the week. So Monday should technically be our day 2 parabolic or safety trade, parabolic safety trade, trend trade to go on up. Now we are close to 3 ADR already, almost, not quite, but we can see it here, and the dashboard is also telling me that from Friday we had a 2.32 for that. So this could also finish its 3 pushes up, and then that's another thing we want to consider. If it finishes the 3 pushes up for tomorrow, then definitely it could also turn into a day 1, which is now looking to go short for the week. But we're going to wait and see. Definitely going to wait and see. But looking at the overall market, this is H4. We are technically... This is probably going to be week 2 of the long. So we're just going to wait and see what happens with this trade, with this particular one. But for right now, I'm definitely looking to go long. Okay, what else do we need to look at? EURCAD, same thing, guys. We are looking for it to be day 3. If day 3 does not do a thing, because Mondays are typically high and low day trades, it could just be stuck in a range and it may not give us a very good day 3 or anything at all. But if it does give us a nice push out of, or we get a nice push with this particular pair on tomorrow for a reversal, then that'll be fantastic. If it doesn't happen tomorrow and it's just inside, then the reversal could come on Tuesday and it's just day 3 all over again. Okay. So again, this one was 1 day on Thursday. It was the new peak low, and this is day 1, and then Friday, day 2, which gave us a parabolic trade trend, and then day 3, we should expect a reversal. And this happened at 9 o'clock, and usually markets do move around the same time, so I am going to be expecting it to move around that time. I talked about UC, EC, GC. Let's look at CJ. Here we go. CJ confirmed on Friday as a first red day, first day of the peak high of the week. So what I'm expecting here, guys, is for prices to give us a stop hunt high drop. And again, this is a parabolic trend trade, so this should play out nicely on tomorrow for day 2 of the 3-day cycle. Okay, it's another one. So let's see, do we have one more? EJ, and then we're gonna wrap it up. EJ, very kind of low volume, a little bit. It's not like a high volume pair. 124 for 380R, but technically speaking, this pair did close above. If it closes above, then we're looking for it to go short. Okay, if it closes above price, technically we're looking for it to go short. So what are we going to do? We're going to look for that stop hunt high drop. Okay, again, it's not anything that you're going to want to hold on to because you're going against the trend. I did put a stop hunt low rise because it could come to the low and then perhaps give us an opportunity to reverse to New York. Not sure, but we'll wait. But definitely should drop until the low again and then give us another opportunity. Okay. And one more we'll look at here. This is oil. Oil, again, will be at day 3 of the 3-day cycle because Thursday was day 1, Friday day 2, parabolic trend trade. We got that. So now we're expecting this to give us, now look how price closed. Price closed below. So that technically says, you know, we should continue to go short. And it probably will. It probably give us a stop hunt high drop for the early birds. And then we'll get to the low of the day or the session. And then we'll get an opportunity to reverse in New York. So let's see if it plays out that way, guys. All right. So those are the trades that I'm looking at for this week. I hope you guys join us in the locals group, guys. Where we're going to give you the drop on the indicator, perhaps to give you a 50% off and probably even throw in the trade manager, guys. It's just too many good deals in there to pass up on. So all the information is in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.